Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the powerful idiom, call of duty. It's when you feel an overwhelming and deeply personal sense of responsibility to do something important, difficult, or morally necessary, almost as if you've been summoned to fulfill a crucial mission. It's about stepping up to a significant obligation. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. The firefighter answered the call of duty during the raging fire. She was compelled to save lives. He felt the call of duty to study tirelessly for his family's future. It was his mission to succeed. She joined the volunteer group out of a call of duty. She felt driven to protect the planet. The idiom call of duty has strong historical roots, growing popular in the 18th and 19th centuries, primarily within military and naval contexts. It originally referred to a soldier's or sailor's solemn obligation to serve their country, often implying bravery and self-sacrifice in the face of danger. Over time, its meaning broadened beyond military service to encompass any compelling moral or professional obligation that an individual feels compelled to fulfill, highlighting a deep-seated sense of responsibility. Use call of duty to describe someone bravely stepping up for a significant, often challenging task because they feel a strong sense of moral, professional, or personal obligation. This idiom carries a serious, sometimes inspiring tone, and is perfect for formal or thoughtful conversations about responsibility, sacrifice, or heroism. It's not typically used for trivial matters. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.